Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover lost Audacity files. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Audacity application on your PC. Once the program launches and you can see your workspace, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice the File menu there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this menu, hover your mouse over the Recent Files option. This will display a list of projects you've recently worked on in Audacity, which is often the quickest way to locate a missing file. Now, take a moment to look through this list carefully for your missing project. If you spot the file you're looking for in this list, simply click on it. This will immediately open the project and you can continue working right where you left off. However, if your file doesn't appear in the Recent Files list, don't worry. There's another method you can use to track down your lost audio work. For this alternative approach, look to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Start button, which is represented by the Windows icon. This will open your Start menu where you can search for various applications and files. In the search field that appears, type Run. You'll see the Run app appear in your search results. Click on it to launch this useful Windows utility that lets you access specific folders quickly. Once the Run dialog box opens, type %appdata% into the text field, then click OK. This command takes you directly to a hidden folder where many applications, including Audacity, store their temporary and session data. This is where your lost files might be waiting to be recovered. After clicking OK, you'll be taken to a new folder. At the top of this window, locate and double-click the folder named App Data. This opens the main directory where application data is stored on your Windows system. Inside this folder, you'll see several subfolders. Look for and double-click the one labeled Local. This folder contains locally stored data specific to various programs installed on your computer. Within the local folder, you'll need to find the Audacity folder. Once you locate it, double-click it to open it. Inside the Audacity folder, you'll see another folder called Session Data. Double-click this folder to access it. This is where Audacity automatically saves session information and temporary project files, which can be lifesavers when you've lost track of your work. Now you should see the files stored in the Session Data folder. These represent your Audacity sessions and potentially contain the audio project you're trying to recover. Right-click on the file you want to recover, and from the context menu that appears, select Copy. This prepares the file to be duplicated to a safer location where you won't risk losing it again. Finally, navigate to a location on your computer where you want to keep this recovered file safe, such as your Documents folder or a dedicated project folder. Right-click in that location and select Paste. This creates a copy of your recovered file in a secure spot where you can easily access it. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your lost Audacity file using Windows' built-in file system. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.